Okay, before you watch this video, you should have already watched the short video that describes the different elements of story structure. So right now we're going to read a story very quickly and work through some of the elements. Please follow along. For summer vacation, my family usually visits Grandma, but this year we flew to Earth on a Speed Cap 29. We landed in a remote area where we met our tour guide, Zixto. He supplied us with breathing gear and gave us special coverings that helped us blend in with the Earthlings. My sister, Nink, was dressed up as what Zixto called a black lab. He said black labs are a popular form of wildlife on Earth. We found out the hard way that this was true. Our first stop was a huge land formation covered with crystallized hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Earthlings skidded on flat, narrow boards attached to their two stick-like legs. One of them had a black lab that looked just like Nink. Excuse me. It started chasing her. If it caught her, it might pull off her disguise. That would cause a panic. We must not reveal ourselves to the Earthlings. Luckily, Zixto knew how to make the secret high-pitched noise that labs seemed to like. The Earthlings' lab came running. Nink stayed hidden until the other lab left. I can't wait to visit Earth again, sometime in the future. But I think Nink would rather visit Grandma. All right, let's go through some of the different story elements here. The first thing is the setting. Where does our story take place? It takes place at a ski resort. Who are our characters? First of all, we have the alien narrator. Then we have the narrator's sister. Which is Nink. There's Zixto, who is a tour guide. And we have a black lab. What is our problem or the conflict in this story? Nink's alien identity her alien identity is almost revealed to everyone. And then the different events that happen in this story. First of all, the family flies to Earth for vacation. And they dress up as Earthlings. When they get to Earth, they visit a ski resort, their first stop. Nink gets chased by a black lab. And then what's our resolution? How did the story wind up? Zixto knew how to make a high-pitched lab, or noise. So Zixto whistles to the real lab and it leaves Nink alone. And that's all there really is to the different story elements. Tomorrow when we're in class, you will have a little worksheet. They're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to have a small short story, and you will have to write down the different story elements and then answer a few questions. Thank you.